people think that if you're living in Japan, life is already good. They think the salary is high, everything is comfortable, and there are no struggles. But the truth is, even if I work so hard, even if I have 3 jobs, sometimes it's still not enough. And the hardest part, I'm not just doing this for myself. I'm doing this as a single mom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and I'm an OFW living here in Japan. I'm also a single mom, trying to survive and build a better future for my child. In today's vlog, I want to share my real life. No filter, no pretending, just the truth. Because behind every smile you see, there's a story of sacrifice that not everyone understands. To be honest, I have 3 jobs. My main job is working in a factory, and I'm on a night shift from Monday to Saturday. Every night, I go to work while most of people are resting, and I come home when everyone is just starting their day. On weekends, I also work as a backup dancer. We usually have an events around 3 to 5 times a month. It looks fun on the outside, dancing, performing, but behind that, it's also physical tiring and draining. And at the same time, I'm also doing YouTube. I edit my videos whenever I can. And sometimes, even when I'm already exhausted. Because I'm hoping that one day, this can also become a source of income and help support us. So yes, 3 jobs. Not because I want to, but because I need to. Most days, I barely get enough rest. I wake up already tired. My body is heavy, but I still have to move. There are times I only sleep for a few hours. And then I have to get up again for another shift. Another responsibility. Sometimes I look at myself and think, how am I still doing this? But as a mother, you don't really have the luxury to give up. Because even if you earn here in Japan, the reality is it's still expensive. Rent, bills, food, daily needs, and supporting my family in the Philippines. Everything adds up. And sometimes, when I check what's left, I feel discouraged. Because after all the hard work, it still feels like it's not enough. The most painful part is being a mother in this situation. My daughter lives with me. We are together at home. But every time I go to work, Her father comes to pick her up. And every time I see her leave, there's a pain in my heart that I can't explain. Because even if we live together, I still miss so many moments. I miss the small things, the simple bonding, the time that I can never get back. Sometimes I just want to stay beside her, to be present, to be a full time mom. But reality hits me. I have to work, I have to be strong. Because I'm not just a mother, I'm also the one carrying the responsibility. And as a single mom, there's no one else to rely on. There are nights when I feel so tired, not just physically, but emotionally. I question myself, is all of this worth it? I want to rest. I want to slow down. I want to breathe. But life doesn't stop. And neither can I. But despite of everything, I still hold on. Because I believe that one day all of this sacrifice will be worth it. Maybe not now, but someday. For my child, for our future, I will keep going. To all single moms out there, to all OFWs, to everyone who is silently struggling, you are not alone. If you can relate to my story, please support my channel by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
If correct, please press enter.
Have a nice
Please
day.
insert your card.